Alright guys, I'm back. Good morning. I am making some ginger tea and I have my favorite snack, guys, the mixed nut bar. I have to have that snack. I know this is bad for me, but I have to have it. I have my tea since I was drinking this tea, and of course, let me take you with me in the ginger tea. This is my ginger right here. I'm gonna let her boil slow under slow motion, and I will come back when she's ready. I don't want to covering her because I don't want the tea to boil up. I have to keep my eyes on it. All right, it is cold and I'm making my homemade tea. Homemade tea for me. Oh, I have to add some salt, but let it cool down. Let me add. Let me put the stove low because I feel like this is going to busting open.